Hi, it's Hannah, and this video is going to talk you through how to make your very own Wikipedia article. So before you do that, log into your Wikipedia account and come to the home page. So you'll see you're logged in, so I've got my username BlueRhino3 at the top there. And just one important thing to note, before you can publish any new article, you've got to have had your account for at least 4 days and made at least 10 edits. Alright, so to make a Wikipedia article, you draft this article first in your sandbox. So come to the top panel in the right hand corner and click sandbox. And you can see edit below this line. So to make and save your sandbox, you need to have at least one line of writing. This is my new sandbox. And then to save it, press publish page. Create a sandbox, publish page. So this is what's happened here. So now we're going to edit, and I'm going to make an article for the book Artful by Ali Smith. So Artful is a 2012 novel by Ali Smith and published by Penguin Books. So this is the introductory statement about the book. So I'm going to make this stand out. So I'm going to make it bold and italicized. And it's a 2012 novel by author Ali Smith, so I'm going to create links between Wikipedia articles. So input here, Ali Smith, Scottish author, and published by Penguin Books, so we'll see if there's a link. Yep, British Publishing House. And it was shortlisted for the inaugural Goldsmith Prize, so we'll also link this. Here we go, British Literary Award for Novels. And I need to add a citation here to show where I got this information from. So I go to this tab, which is the Goldsmith Prize 2013. You can see Artful by Ali Smith is there. And to insert the citation, copy the URL, so command copy, go back to my sandbox, press the cite button, go to the automatic, paste it, select generate, and then remember to press insert. That's something I always forget to do. So here we go, that's inserted. And this is showing the notability for the book. So it was shortlisted for a literary award, and it's by a really well-known author, Ali Smith. Right, so now I'm going to write a bit about the plot. So to do that, I'm going to put a new heading, plot, and I'm going to put some information about it. Okay, so I've copy and pasted some information into the plot that I wrote up earlier, and now I'm going to cite it and add some links between Wikipedia pages. So remember to keep your language neutral, and remember that citations are really important, so you should aim to have at least 3 citations on a stub article like this that we're creating. So we've already linked Ali Smith at the top of the page, so we won't need to add another one. We can add a link for Oxford University. So I'm going to add a reference where I found this information from. So copy the URL, go to the end of the sentence, press cite, paste, generate, and insert. And this is all just giving some background information about the book. So we can link to The Guardian, national newspaper, and I've put a quote in here from someone, so I've got to add my citation where I got the quote from. So it's by select cite, again automatic, generate, insert. So now I'm just going to add some links. So add a link for Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, and add a link for Jackie Kay. And so when I was looking at making this page, I also looked at examples for other novels. So another novel by Ali Smith has this layout. So you've got the plot introduction, the references, and reception. So I'm going to add another section, add my heading, and this time I'm going to use bullet points. So I'm going to use a bulleted list. I'm going to type in comments from critics. That is from a critic at the Independent. So I need to add a reference for this critic at the Independent. So cite, insert. Should also add a link for the Independent, and then a reference for this author at the Guardian. But we've already used this Guardian reference before, so when we click cite, we can select reuse this one. So last thing to do is add a heading for the references. And then also we can add some categories. So again, this is the 3 lines next to the magic pen. So I'm going to add Scottish literature. Or I'm going to just add that category, apply changes. So I'm going to click my mouse here, select insert, template, info box book, book name. I'm going to go for book name and author and language. So the author is Ali Smith, it's in English, and the name is Artful. Select insert, and you can see we've got the beginning of the info box here. So to save this, I'm going to click Publish Changes, added information, info box, categories, links, and citations. Click Publish Changes. And now here we have a draft for a page, and you can see our references have come up at the bottom here. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.